Hi everybody, here's how we make folders in Google Drive. The easiest place to start is on our student links page, which you see here, and navigate to Drive, find the big button, click on it. Here's your Google Drive. I like to be in my Drive portion of my Google Drive. And then to create folders, it's real easy. You just go up here to where it says New, and then New Folder is the first option. We're going to create at least 4 folders today, one for each of our academic classes. So I might make one that says Math and hit Create. And then I might make another one, New Folder for Science. And you could put the teacher's name, you don't have to. I'll just put Science. I'll make another one, New Folder for Geography, and one more for ELA. Right? And even if you don't have all these classes right now, you will at some point during the school year. So there's my 4 new folders, and the activity asks us to do one additional thing with these, and that is to color code them according to what your academic teachers use as their subject's color. So like you see in this graphic here, Science should be green, ELA should be red, Math should be blue, Geography should be yellow. So we can go back into our Google Drive, find those folders again, and all you have to do to recolor them is right click, go to Organize, and look at that, there's all the colors. ELA is red. Geography we said was yellow. I can right click on it, I can go to Organize, I can make it yellow. Science was supposed to be green, so I could either right click or go up here to the little snowman menu, go to Organize, make it green. Math then is blue, Organize, blue. There we go. When you're done doing this, you'll take a screenshot. If you're on a Mac, it's Command Shift 5 to do a screenshot. Command. On your Chromebook, it's Control plus that Windows switcher key above the 6. Alright, because you do need to take a screenshot of the folders you created and submit that to Schoology to show me that you did it. If you have any questions, talk to your instructor or contact the tech department. Good luck.